In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make changes to a global module in only one template in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to log into your HubSpot and then head over to the marketing, then locate the files option. You can also find it right here in their content if you have it ready from there. So head over to your files, but if you can find it, you can also click onto the search option and search right here for files and templates. And you have also the option to search for design tools to make things easier. Once you have opened the template option from the design tools, you can open the template that you want to modify, or you can create a new one right here. You can create from scratch or from the library. Just input right here the name, the subject, as well as the actual body. You can insert text as you want. Now, under the global module under the template, you can select detach from global or make local if you want. Click onto the select folder and add a folder that you want. Choose right here how it's shared and you should be good to go. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the description below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.